What is going on? How you guys doing? And we back for another update on my six-figure blueprint and its marketing system. What this is a full and one-in-one marketing system that has an built-in autoresponder, bridge page builder, a QR code maker, a link shortener, and a whole heap of done for you business funnels, sales page funnels to help you get started. Some people aren't tech savvy and some don't know how to put a web page together. So what they've done for you inside of this system, this marketing system, is put all these things so that way it can make easy for someone who's starting out or even a top level marketer, where you don't want to have to be paying for 6 and 7 different softwares to be able to do your marketing. You can do it all in one here. Today's video, I just want to go over, I'm going to make a QR code for a promotion I'm doing on Facebook. I just wanted to walk you guys through that and let you guys see how I make that QR code so that way I can post it on Facebook and run tons of traffic to my offers. And you can use this QR code for any offer, any landing pages, your URL, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. We're going to jump into it right now. So let's get it. So I'm going to come over to my marketing system. I'm going to access my marketing tools. And each tool has a video that's going to show you how to use the tool. You can edit the capture pages to make them your own, to fully brand them to yourself. How to edit your bridge pages, which is very important, so that way people know how to find you. And if you like this system, the link is in the bottom of the description. There's going to be a 8-minute video describing what's going on with this, how you can get started with it, and how you can start using these tools today to bring more business eyeballs to your business opportunity. So I'm going to come down to create QR code. As you can see, I can create one for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Even for your cell phone, you can add a cell phone number if you do type of like cold calls and things of that sort. Whatever type of URL you have, whatever type of business opportunity you have, whatever promotional offer you have, you can put inside the URL. We're going to make one for Facebook. I'm going to try to keep this video short for you guys. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to get it ready, set up for the Facebook. I'm going to come over to my YouTube, and I made this video especially for the QR code. I'm going to let it get all loaded up. Pause that. What I want to do is come up here, grab that, and what I grabbed was the HTTP link for this video here, or you can go here, click share, and here's the same code here. Copy, or hit copy, it'll send straight to your link, or embed. In this case, we don't have an option to embed, but you would click this, set your duration of time, and then copy this and embed. This will be a later this will be for a later video. We'll go over that and how to use the embeds. So I'm going to go back over to my QR builder. I'm going to paste that right here, bring this down. Let's do a green one. I like green. Green's my favorite color. Create code. And as you can see, your QR code is right here. ready to go. See, can we change the color in mid shape? Do like maybe like towards more of a Facebook color, no? Facebook blue. And there you go. We got a Facebook blue QR code. Now I said I'm going to keep this video short. If you want your own QR builder, you want to know more about the six-figure marketing system, the link is in the description in the bottom. You'll come to a 8-minute video. Keep saying 5, I think it's 8-minute video, you guys. 8-minute free video explaining everything about the marketing system. Go ahead, get started today. This is an awesome platform to have. It's yours 100%. No monthly payments. You don't have to worry about no bill collector hitting your debit card. It's a one-time payment and you have this for life. And they offer reseller rights. So if you want to be a reseller of the platform, you can do so and be able to get paid directly. No waiting on a company to access your fees. No waiting for a company to release your fees. Straight to you, however you would like to get paid. Cash App, Bitcoin, and they have other options for other payment processors. If you want to get started with this, again, the link is in the bottom of the description. Again, and thank you for checking out my channel. I'll get with you guys later. I'm out of here.